Now, the last item of business is the Boscov Section 108 loan. And now this is an item of CDBG business because Boscov's received a loan that was secured by a number of local area counties CDBG funding. So including Lebanon County. So Lebanon County pledged a portion of their future CDBG annual allocations as collateral for the Boscov's loan. And HUD reached out to Boscov's to offer some relief during the coronavirus troubles that they're having. And what they're offering is a deferment of the principal portion of their 2020 payment, which is due in August. So Boscov's makes annual payments on that loan, and they are seeking a deferral of the principal portion of their 2020 payment. And HUD is willing to grant that deferral, but in order to do so, all the counties that pledged their CDBG as collateral must support the move. And they're asking Lebanon County, if you're in favor of that, to sign on to a letter that DCD has prepared that will be sent to HUD and allow them to grant that deferral.
Okay. We'll seek a motion and then we'll discuss it if we get a motion.
I'll make a motion that we agree to signing the letter granting the deferral in the principal payment.
I'll second the motion, and I do have comments, sir.
Okay, Commissioner, you may go with your comments.
Surely. I was serving in 2009 when the original loan went through for Mr. Boscov. The 7 counties other than Lebanon that were included were Schuylkill, Lackawanna, Snyder, Butler, Blair, and Cambria. There were $2 million that we were allowed extra on top of the original $5 million loan, so that we have been able to do everything locally, like anything from sidewalk, curb cuts, and other handicap accessible projects. So it has benefited us greatly. And at the time, we noted that Boscov's was our community mall and does so much for the community, from the Boy Scouts, American Cancer Society, and the list goes on. So all that being said, I think it's a reasonable request because it was a 20-year loan, and we are in year 11, if I calculate correctly, of that 20-year loan, which means the remaining principal that would be avoided at this time would be spread over the remaining 9 years. So it seems like a logical solution to help them stay afloat, and it's something that HUD allows. So I'm very grateful that we still have Boscov's as our local retail outlet, and I certainly am in favor of this particular motion.
Any further comment? I'm also encouraged that this came as a information item from HUD, not from Boscov, so that actually adds another degree of strength in helping to make a decision along those lines. Anything else before we vote? If not, all in favor of the motion, please indicate by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed? So moved. Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioners.
Thanks,
You're
Dan.
welcome, Dan.
Dan, before you leave, I just have a question. Do you know where any of the other counties are in the process?
Yes, I do. As of Tuesday this week, Blair County, Butler County, Cambria County have all approved the deferral. Lackawanna County Commissioners are meeting on June 3rd to decide. And in addition to the local counties, there's actually 3 direct HUD entitlements that are considering it as well. And of the 3, Wilkes-Barre has approved it, and that leaves Scranton, Vineland, New Jersey, who are undecided yet, and then Schuylkill County, who we don't know about yet as well.
And finally, what is the deferral payment that we are, principal that we're talking about?
I asked DCD for that and didn't get an exact figure. They were only able to tell me that it is a $324,000 annual payment, some portion of which is principal,
Okay,
a
that's
small
cool.
portion of which is interest. And Commissioner Litz was correct that the deferred principal will be refinanced and spread out over the remaining term of the loan.
Very good. All right, thank you, Dan.
Thank you.
Okay. Back to you.